rejection by this honorable court, they, my lord, withdraw the very
Second bid also.
then, my lord,
Now the third bid.
third bid. My submission to your lordships is that, my lord, the terms, my lord, having withdrawn, my lord, we had challenged the order of the learned single judge before the division bench, but it has now become infructuous
Because it is withdrawn.
naturally. Therefore, my lord, your lordships will have to, my lord, look at it afresh. Would be my submission before your lordships.
Yes, sir.
All that I am saying is, my lord, that please look at, my lord, the 4 terms, my lord, which have been done. Last time, my lord, they withdrew the bid because only one bidder, my lord, came. They made, my lord, the terms are so rigorous that, my lord, there are no bidders, my lord. It is tailor-made, my lord, for that particular gentleman or that entity is what, my lord, we are contending before your lordships.
Yes.
First of all, my lord, our submission to your lordships is that the please look at, my lord, clause.
These 4 terms on what page, sir?
Tender, my lords, get that, my lord, at running page. Tavu yava writ petition 15,797 of 25. Yav did
19.7?
15,797 of 15,797 of 25.
ಈಗಲೇ ಕಳ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ. What's
ಇಲ್ವಾ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ರದ್ದು ನಾನು
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಹೇಳಿ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್. 15,797 page.
my lord, page 54. Sorry, one is 52. It's 3.2, my lord, clause 3.2, pre-qualification requirement. We should have, my lord, a capacity. My lord, B says tenderer on its own or its subsidiary,
Yes.
100% wholly owned by the tenderer, shall have satisfactorily executed the work lifting of beneficiation. This is, my lord, for washing of coal.
Yes, coal washing.
Coal washing. 12.37 lakh metric tons of raw coal, or, my lord, value, my lord, not less than rupees 30.92 crores.
Yes.
In any one of the years, my lord, from 2019-20 to 23-24.
Yes.
According to us, my lord, this number, my lord, is too rigorous, my lord, or too, my lord, steep, and therefore, my lord, it does not attract competition. Would be, my lord, first submission before your lordships. Secondly, my lord, there is a note, my lord, appended to clause 3.2.3 at page 54.
Yes.
Clause, my lord, note number 3. Experience in the main contract shall only be considered for satisfying the experience criteria. Contract should have been backed by the utility from whom, my lord, washed coal is transported, handled, and executed by the agency in its own name. My lord, as far as this is concerned, we are, my lord, we have 6 coal, my lord, washeries in, my lord, Maharashtra itself. We, my lord, have an installed capacity of 14.6 million tons. In Maharashtra, my lord, what they do is, there is, my lord, an entity called, my lord, the Maharashtra State Mining Corporation.
Yes.
They, my lord, the electricity, my lord, all these are, my lord, electricity, my lord, generating companies will not require this coal. They, my lord, give it only to, my lord, Maharashtra State Mining Corporation. Maharashtra Mining Corporation does not have colliery washeries. They, in turn, my lord, give it to us. We have produced, my lord, this, my lord, clause 3 says.
So you are wanting this experience to be taken?
Yes. Experience in the main contract only will be considered. And, my lord, I should have backed it. I have backed it, but then, my lord, first, my lord, backed by Maharashtra Mining Corporation, State Mining Corporation. It does not have collieries, washeries, nothing.
Yes, correct.
Then, my lord, my lord, have, my lord, similarly, my lord, others also. Therefore, my lord, this.
So, I'm sorry, sir.
Sorry.
Experience in which contract, in the before this state itself, is it?
Yes.
Or any contract?
Any contract. No, my lord, with regard to washeries only, my lord. It can't be, my lord, source.
It can't be anything else.
Correct.
Washeries only.
Correct.
No, you said Maharashtra does not have washery.
No, Maharashtra Mining, my lord, State Mining Corporation does not have washeries.
Yes.
No, I think what just the question is, my lord, the tendering authority
No,
should.
sir is saying, telling why, what's the problem?
No, just a small
Really,
correction, my lord,
really.
because what they're saying is, my lord, what the condition is, the successful tender should have with the main contract, not with the nodal agency.
Correct.
Main contract andre yavdu?
For whomever the work is done for. For example, my
Correct.
lord, they do the
That's
work for me. The contract should with me, but not with our nodal
So
agency.
now, is it,
Not with the generating company.
is it that whoever issues the tender Now, for instance, now the contract, the experience contract should be with the same person. Is that the one?
That's what they are saying. My lord, let me give you a lot, my lord, what happens in Maharashtra. There's a, my lord, Maharashtra generation, my lord, electricity generation company.
Yes.
It calls for, my lord, coal, like, my lord, KPCL here.
Yes.
They do not, my lord, give directly to, my lord, the coal washeries. They give it to, my lord, State Mining Corporation, Maharashtra State Mining Corporation, which does not have washeries, does not have, my lord, does not do, my lord, coal washing, handling, nothing. They, my lord, Maharashtra State Mining Corporation in turn gives it to us. Ultimately, my lord, short question for my lord's consideration is, do I have the experience? Even for them, do I have the experience? Do I have the washeries? Have I, my lord, carried out, my lord, coal handling and beneficiation? My lord, beneficiation is, my lord, washing of the coal, my lord, is called a, I mean, terminology is very,
Yes.
terminology is very, very significant. But ultimately, my lord, it is only washing of coal. Taking out the dust and this.
Yes.
So, my lord, we have 6 coal washeries in Maharashtra. We have done with installed capacity of 14.6 million tons in all these 6 combined together of, my lord, beneficiation, transportation, everything. And, my lord, we are using, my lord, the latest technology.
Then what's the problem now?
This clause says you have to have, my lord, only with Mahajan, not with the Maharashtra State Mining Corporation. ತಾವು 54 ತಮಗೆ
54.
54 ತಾವು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಟ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ.
Wicked petitions ಕೊಡಿ madam.
42 in the other.
All right, 42, my lord. I stand corrected.
42 in.
ಆಯ್ತು.
In WP number 15325.
That's
I am holding 15325.
Page
all right,
42.
my lord, then you lords may have a look at.
Page 42, clause 4(1).
ಅಲ್ಲ.
Sir, page 42 note bitter. Same.
Note.
That is
Note, yes.
4-1.
So it's note chair.
Huh?
42, this is the petition,
All right.
right here.
My lord, please come to, my lord, 4-1, sorry.
Other,
Thank you. Irli. Right.
4(1).
Experience in the main.
ಅದೇ experience
3, my
as
lord. 3 if your lordship.
experience as consortium.
ಅಲ್ಲ, 3 ನೋಡಿ.
Experience
In the main contract shall only be considered for satisfying the experience criteria prescribed in the PQR. Contracts should have been backed by from the utility for whom the washed coal is transported, handled, and so, my lord, we must have a contract directly with Maharashtra Electricity Generation Company. My
So-
submission to your lordship says, there, my lord, it is not there at all. Maharashtra, my lord, State Mining Corporation does not, my lord, have anything. Therefore, my lord,
So
this
they
is arbitrary.
they notify the tender
Correct.
and award the contract to you.
Correct.
That is not to be taken note of.
Correct.
Is clause 3.
Correct.
That's
Because,
all.
my lord, question is, my lord, ultimately, my lord, only submission.
Washing is coal washing.
Do I have the experience? Do I have the capacity? Do you have, my lord, the washeries?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ವಾಷರೀಸು ಇದೆ. 6 washeries, my lord, I have put all that, my lord, please before your lord, the experience also. The certificates, my lord, ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ the certificates? 138 of my petition, my lord, I have produced, my lord, all that.
ವಾಷರೀಸ್
Washeries.
ತಮ್ಮ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 171 ಅಲ್ಲ
15797 ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಕೊಡಿ. ಪೇಜ್ 138.
138, my lord.
Now who has this some particular person has this ಅಲ್ಲ. Now why are you excluded now because of this
Because of this clause. Huh.
Now the this clause is beneficial to someone.
Absolutely. In some state, my lord, in this state itself, my lord, it is directly given by KPCL. In some other states, my lord, it is given to, my lord, the state entity, who in turn, my lord, gives it.
So this is annexure C, page 138 is Maharashtra State Mining Corporation.
Correct. They, my lord, specifically, my lord, indicate and say that I have lifted, my lord, please come to the bottom.
Yes.
Hind Energy Coal Beneficiation India Limited, having 51% joint venture consortium member, has executed the contracted work of lifting and beneficiation of so and so, and supply of beneficiated coal to Chandapur, Koradi, so and so of Mahajanco from southeastern coal fields, SCCL area from March 21 to March 2024 for the below mentioned quantities. ROM coal lifted 38 lakh metric tons. Coal washed 30 lakh metric tons. Washed coal supplied to Mahajanco 29 lakh 47,000. approximate value is 183.94 crores. And next page, if your lordship sees, I am Mahajan, Maharashtra,
Maha mining.
Maha
yes.
mining. That's the petition before your lordship in this particular case.
Yes.
Look at my quantities. 1 crore, ROM coal lifted, 1 crore 44 lakhs 38,349. Quantity of washed coal is 1 crore
So
20.
it is not the case that you have no experience.
Oh.
It is the case that the experience should be with the
Main-
main contract.
Correct.
And you should be the awardee of the
That's
contract.
right. But my lord, as your lordship sees, my lord, this itself says, I have supplied it to Mahajan Co. Please look at my lord, that first paragraph, page
Yes,
130.
I saw that, yes.
Therefore, my lord, this clause, my lord, is arbitrary. And therefore, my lord, then second thing is, please come to 4. That, my lord, adralage, nanna idralli 4 bani. Ade page 54 tav itkondidre.
Page 54, yes.
Alla, illere idralle ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Experience as a consortium member, a joint venture shall not be considered for qualifying the experience criteria specified.
Yes,
Then, my lord, 2, clause 2, unless clause 2.
yes,
Bidder shall also contain a declaration from other consortium members of the joint venture, then from all members, confirming the exact scope of work done and value of the work done. My lord, my submission to your lordship is, co-respondents kotre, avaru kottidike value enu. Here, my lord, as your lordship saw, my lord, the margin, my lord, the main, adalri, namma idralli. 138, as your lordship saw, my lord.
Hmm.
Given by, my lord, State Mining Corporation, and my lord specifically stating at 139 that I have supplied it to my lord Mahajan Co. Therefore, this again, one of the consortium members, my lord, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇವರು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್, ಇವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಗೆ ಬೆಲೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರ ಬದಲು my lord, an authority, my lord, who has taken the work gives
That
it.
is mining, Maharashtra Mining Corporation.
Therefore, my lord, and it's a state entity. Therefore, my lord, it has a
So the entire crux is that the experience that you have gained out of the contract,
have been taken into account.
contract Maharashtra, from Maharashtra State Mining Corporation should be taken as
right.
experience under clause
That's
3.
right. That's right.
Yes, if you are
Therefore-
excluded, it becomes arbitrary.
Correct. That's, my lord, our.
That's the crux of the
that's
matter.
thing. And, my lord, this honorable court has, my lord, on an earlier occasion, not with regard to this,
Hmm.
Eastico, my lord, that judgment, my lord, I have already,
Yes, sir.
Huh? no, that Eastico Coal Company, my lord, I don't know, have you given it to the learned judge? ಸರಿ, ಹಿಂದೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. Where is the, my lord, please come to, my lord, page 33. The Advocate General's, my lord, this binds, my lord, the Advocate General.
He cannot
It was
argue, he
like
cannot
to-
argue against this.
I'm using it in some other court. Man.
Of course,
Yes.
my lord, there is also, my lord, that Justice Chandrachud Senior was overruled by, my lord, the junior Chandrachud, the former Chief Justice of,
Yes.
who retired, in that emergency, my lord, whether, my lord, Article 21, life during emergency, my lord, is,
Now in the latest judgment.
how,
Yes.
that was overruled, of course.
Athara
Father's
ಇದೆ.
judgment was overruled by the son. ಅದು ಇದೆ. But ಇಲ್ಲೀಗ, my lord,
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
it by-
binding.
ಅವ್ರೇನು ಮೇಲ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ಓವರ್ರೂಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೈಟಿಂಗ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Yes, sir.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
Paragraph.
paragraph, my lord, please come to, my lord, paragraph 17 and 23, my lord. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, if it is arbitrary, my lord, this,
That is
ಅಷ್ಟೇ,
settled.
that's even the
If
term.
if the clause is arbitrary,
Normal rule is, my lord, terms are, my lord, not justiciable, but if it is arbitrary, my lord, court will interfere.
Michigan
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
rubber.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Michigan rubber is there,
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ
Jagdish
ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Mandal, Michigan
That's
rubber,
right.
Tata Cellular.
Correct. That's all, my lord. Their judgments you give it back to them.
Citation I'll give. That's my preliminary.
And joint venture partner ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅದೊಂದು ಎರಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸರ್ ಅದು?
ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾನು
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆನೇ
ಇದೆ.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. And what is the object of tender process? My lord, not that, my lord, this is, it's like carrying coal to Newcastle at ನೀವು ದಿವಸ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಿ.
Yes.
With the lordships kindly, sure. Synopsis copy.
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ, yes.
My lords,
If
just to
senior
give,
is not there, you can do it, no problem. Yes.
my lords, your lordship may kindly see the list of dates. My lord. First tender was on 2nd March 2024, my lords.
Hmm.
Then second, pursuant to which that tender was challenged in WP number 9298 of 2024,
That tender was withdrawn.
withdrawn. Then the second tender was dated 25/11/2024, my lords,
They
which
ca-
came to be challenged. a
Rejected.
Judgment came to be passed, which came
Correct.
to be rejected.
Judgment, yeah, judgment is rendered, rejecting and upholding the conditions of tender.
I didn't, very same
That's all
condition.
right, conditions of tender. You withdrew that also.
The reason is this, my lords. So usually what they say, if there's single tender, first opportunity we withdraw it, my lords. Because if it's a single bidder, my lords, the question is in the,
No, pursuant to the rejection of the writ petition, you found that it was a single
single
bid.
bidder, that's the reason we withdrew it. We could have gone ahead. But
No,
we withdrew
Single
it.
bid, you can't go ahead.
No, no, in the sense, my lords, first time we cannot go ahead, my lords.
Correct. Second time you can,
Second
because
time we can.
competition applies only for the first time.
Therefore, my lords, we have financial bid, my lords, to show that there are more than one bid this time.
Now.
Now, my lords. Court of-
ಕೊಡಿ.
Uh,
ಅಲ್ಲ, more than one bid, ನಮ್ದು bid ಇದೆ.
ಅದೇ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಅದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
More than one eligible bid. I'll put it that way.
Oh, you have made them ineligible already?
No, my lord, your lordships have.
I have that cover.
Your lordships have that cover. There are, how many people have participated? Out of 4, my lords, according to them, these 2 people are not eligible. There are 2 other eligible people.
We'll see.
We'll see. That is to your lordship.
No, the only issue is, if they have washed coal, they washed coal anywhere. Here also it is washing coal. What's the problem?
That's not the, your lordship may, would
No,
take
whether this court would exercise judicial review
That's
to
a
tinker with the condition is a different
I'll
thing.
satisfy your lordships, my lords. Why this page 1, my learned senior pointed out to their writ petition page, the document, that is page number 1, which is 138, my lords. Your lordship may kindly see the certificate which is ought to be produced.
Correct. Maharashtra Mining Corporation.
Please, my lords. Your lordship may kindly see, they are only a tendering authority page.